My name is Daniel, a product specialist at Streamstar. In today's video, I'll guide you through Streamstar's recording options. Besides live streaming, recording is an essential capability of every live production system. Most users want to record their production to be able to upload to social media, give a copy of the show to a client right after the event, or have a high-res file available for post-production. Whatever your production workflow requires, Streamstar delivers everything you wished for. Its recording options enable you to cover any possible production situation. So let's get started. To access Streamstar's recording features, go to the Settings section. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings tab, and click on the Recording button. This opens the Recording Options page, where you will find all recording settings and controls. There are two tabs in the top menu bar. If it's not open already, click on the Recording Settings tab on the left. In the left section of this window, you can set the overall parameters of your master PGM recording. Select the format, resolution, and file size of your recording. Under Format, use the drop-down menu to select either MPEG2 or NDI, depending on your license. Selecting the MPEG2 option will create a high-resolution, intra-frame, MPEG2 recording at 18 megabits per second. Choosing the NDI option in the Format drop-down menu, the system will record the program output at the parameters set in the NDI output module. An info text below indicates its current settings. Click the NDI output button to jump to the NDI output settings page, where you can change the NDI output settings. Back in the recording settings page, in the recording start-stop section on the right, is a large start-stop button. Use it to start or stop the recording process. At bottom, there is an information bar displaying information about recording time and remaining recording time that is available on the system. Now, click on the ISO Recording tab. ISO Recording will record the individual input signals in the format as they are received. By default, all signals are recorded to the internal disk, but you can select the recording path for each camera to a different disk connected to the system. You can see all available disks under the Stored/Capacity section on the right. The Start/Stop button will start the ISO recording. Once the system is recording, you can pause any individual camera channels if you want. Another recording option available on the Streamstar system is Stream Recording. The system will record the stream output in the parameters set for streaming. Once the system is streaming, click the red Start Recording button. Click it again to stop stream recording at any time. The system will also stop recording the stream if all active streams are stopped. Last but not least is the Replays recording feature. Any Streamstar system that features replays is recording the replays clips internally. Therefore, all replays captured are available as files. You will find the replay files in the current project directory. The system records video and audio files of each incoming signal separately, as well as it records the PGM audio and aux-in audio, all in the duration of the captured replay. As you can see, there is plenty of recording features in the Streamstar system, which give you great flexibility and allow you to use the recorded material in any way you want to, whether it is immediate use after the live show or post-production. For more tutorial videos and to learn more about Streamstar, please visit our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.